Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company, and I have a 1973 Harley Sportster lower end. The transmission, I believe, is complete. It has authentic serial number and its matching numbers on the bottom. The cases have been painted silver at one time, but I saw no welding. The motor turns over nice, as well as the transmission turns over real nice. Just kind of liquidating this stuff off, and possible low-cost shipping available on request. So here it is. Everything looks pretty good. We're turning good here. Turning good here. And I don't see anything busted or broken or anything anywhere. So I think we got a good thing here. As I said before, there's no title, but this would be a good start to fix something nice. Okay, thanks a lot for looking.